So today I am going to explain ester IUPAC name. IUPAC name structure is like this: prefix plus root word plus suffix. So prefix means substituent, root word means number of carbons in chain, number of carbons in chain, and suffix is main functional group. Main functional group. Prefix means substituent. Prefix means substituent. So today I am going to explain ester's IUPAC name. Functional group is ester. RC11OR. Ester's IUPAC name. This is ester. This is ester functional group. So IUPAC name of ester is alkyl alkanoate. Alkyl alkanoate. So here oxygen attached R is alkyl. Oxygen attached R is alkyl. Remaining part is alkanoate part. Remaining part is alkanoate part. Suppose I take one example, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Here oxygen part carbons are alkyl, remaining part are alkanoate. So in alkyl, how many carbons are present? 1. In alkanoate, how many carbons are present? 2. So what is the IUPAC name of esters? Alkyl alkanoate. So oxygen part carbon is alkyl, so methyl. So alkanoate part is 2 carbons, so ethanoate. What is the IUPAC name of this compound is methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. Suppose I take one more example. Suppose CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. So here oxygen attached part is alkyl part, remaining part is alkanoate part. Here 2 carbons are present, here 3 carbons are present. So oxygen part is alkyl. So how many carbons here? 2 carbons. So ethyl. So here 3 carbons. So it is propanoate. Propanoate. So here 3 carbons in chain is called prop. So it is propanoate. Here 2 carbons. So ethyl propanoate. Ethyl propanoate. So prefix, root word, suffix. Ester is suffix. So it is called as OA. Suppose prefix. Ester is prefix. So it is called as. Suppose ester is present as prefix. So it is called as alkoxycarbonyl. Alkoxycarbonyl or alkanoyl oxy. Alkanoyl oxy. So if ester functional group is prefix, so it is called as alkoxycarbonyl or alkanoyl oxy. So if it is suffix, OH. So ester's IUPAC name is alkyl alkanoate. Ester's IUPAC name is alkyl alkanoate. So oxygen attached R is alkyl, remaining R is alkanoate. Remaining part is alkanoate. So here oxygen part carbons are 1, so it is methyl. Here alkanoate part having 2 carbons, so it is called as ethanoate. It is called as ethanoate. So suppose when it is called as alkoxycarbonyl and alkanoyl oxy. See here, first of all you should know the functional group priority order. So functional group priority order. Functional group priority order. What is functional group priority order? See here. So main functional group is highest priority functional group acid, then sulfonic acid, then acid anhydride, next ester and acid halide and amide and cyanide, next aldehyde and ketone and alcohol and NH2 and ether and alkene and alkene and alkyne, alkyl halide, nitroalkanes and alkane. This is a functional group priority order. Functional group priority order. Suppose ester is here. Suppose acid and ester is present, then ester is called as prefix. Ester is called as prefix. Suppose I take one example, CH3 O C double one O CH2 CH2 COH. In this, two functional groups are present. One is acid, another one is ester. Another one is ester. But here acid is main functional group, highest priority. According to functional group priority, acid is main functional group, then ester is prefix. Suppose ester is prefix, we call it as alkoxycarbonyl, alkoxycarbonyl, alkoxycarbonyl or alkanoyl oxy, alkanoyl oxy. So when it is called as alkoxycarbonyl or alkanoyl oxy, here, so here acid is the main functional group. Give numbering from acid 1, 2, 3. Here ester is the substituent. Suppose C double bond O directly attached to carbon is called as alkoxycarbonyl. So alkoxy means here how many carbon? One carbon, methoxycarbonyl. What is the name? Methoxycarbonyl. So substituted third carbon, so give number 3 and number and word separated by hyphen. Word and number is separated by hyphen. First I write number and hyphen. So CH3 OC double one O means alkoxycarbonyl. So methoxycarbonyl, 3 methoxycarbonyl, 3 methoxycarbonyl. How many carbons in maintain? 3 carbons. So propane. So COH, oic acid. So 3 methoxycarbonyl propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. So when ester is substituent, if main functional group like COH, sulfonic acid, C double one O, C double one O groups are present, then ester is treated as substituent. So when ester is substituent, we call it as alkoxycarbonyl or alkanoyl oxide. In this case, only we call it as alkoxycarbonyl. When it is called as alkanoyl oxide here, same example I take CH3C double one O CH2 CH2 COH. Here this is also ester functional group, this is also ester functional group, but here C double one O directly attached to carbon, but here oxygen directly attached to carbon. In this case we call it as alkanoyl oxide. Give number in here. COH is main functional group 1 2 3. So here this is the substituent, so this is ester. Here oxygen directly attached to carbon, so it is called as alkanoyl oxide. So ethanoyl, how many carbons here? 2 carbons, so ethanoyl, ethanoyl oxy propanoic acid, propanoic acid, propanoic acid. So carbon directly attached to carbon is called as alkoxycarbonyl, but oxygen directly attached to carbon is called as ethanoyl oxy propanoic acid, ethanoyl oxy propanoic acid. Suppose if I take cyclic compounds, in this cyclic compounds, ester name is like this, ester's name is like this. I take cyclic compounds, suppose C double one O CH3, C double one O CH3. In this case, we call it as carboxylate. Why? Here C double one O outside of the ring, outside of the ring. So we don't give number to the C double one O. In this case, we call it as carboxylate. So first write oxygen attached part is alkyl. So first write alkyl. Next is this is cyclohexane carboxylate. Cyclohexane carboxylate. In this case, we call it as carboxylate. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Numbering from this carbon only, not this carbon. So numbering not to the C double one O. In this case, we call it as carboxylate. So what is the IUPAC name? Actually, alkyl alkanoate. Alkyl alkanoate. But here alkyl cyclohexane carboxylate. Why it is called as carboxylate? I am not giving number into the C double one O. In this case, we call it as carboxylate. If I give number to the C double one O, in this case alkyl alkanoate. But here I am not giving number to the C double one O. So it is called as carboxylate. Suppose I take benzene compound also. Benzene compound C here, suppose C double one O C2H5. First write alkyl, oxygen part. We write oxygen attached part first. So here ethyl group is present. Ethyl, but I am not giving number to the C double one O. So I am starting from benzene numbering. So it is a carboxylate. What is the name? Ethyl benzene carboxylate, ethyl benzene carboxylate. If I not give number to the C double one O, in this case we call it as carboxylate. Carboxylate. Suppose if it is substituent, so what is the substituent prefix? Alkoxy carbonyl alkanoyl oxy. When it is alkoxy carbonyl, suppose ROC double one O directly attached with any group. So this is called as alkoxy carbonyl. Suppose RC double one O directly attached with group, it is called as alkanoyl oxy. In this case, we call it as alkanoyl oxy. So it is alkoxy carbonyl. This is alkanoyl oxy. This is alkoxy carbonyl. This is alkanoyl oxy. So when ester is substituent, we call it as alkoxy carbonyl, alkoxy carbonyl, and in this case we call it as alkanoyl oxy. Alkanoyl oxy. So if ester is substituent to oxygen directly attached to carbon is called as alkanoyl oxy. So C double one directly attached group is called as alkoxy carbonyl. Suppose I take some examples here. Here COH and ester is present. So according to functional group priority acid is the main functional group. So we have to select longest chain with main functional group. Longest chain with main functional group. So here ester is substituent or prefix. So give numbering from main functional group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here oxygen directly attached to carbon. So you know oxygen directly attached to carbon, ester prefix is alkanoyl oxy. Here how many carbons? 2 carbons. So ethanoyl oxy. Where it is ethanoyl oxy at 4th carbon. So 4 ethanoyl oxy, 4 ethanoyl oxy, pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid. 5 carbons in chain, so it is pentanoic acid. Suppose I take same example. Here CH3O, C double bond O, CH, CH3, and CH2, CH2, COH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here also ester functional group substituent, but here C double bond O directly attached to carbon. So in this case, we call it as alkoxy carbonyl. So methoxy carbonyl, where it is 4th position, 4 methoxy carbonyl, 4 methoxy carbonyl, pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid. So oxygen directly attached with carbon, if it is prefix, so it is called as alkanoyl oxy. C double bond O directly attached to carbon. In this case, we call it as alkoxy carbonyl. This is about ester's IUPAC name. Ester's IUPAC name is alkyl alkanoate. So oxygen attached part is alkyl, remaining part is alkanoid part. Suppose if it is prefix, ester is prefix, when it is prefix, so main functional group like COH, SO3H groups are present, then C ester is treated as prefix. So in this case, we call it as alkanoyl oxy and methoxy carbonyl. This is the IUPAC name of ester. Thank you.